Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Yes? Nowadays, you are very busy with your classwork and also homework mode. You are studying writing classwork. After that, studying the classwork, then sending the homework. Yes or no? Now you are very busy with your work. Okay, children, you continue that. Now, lesson 1 we have completed, but classwork is not yet completed. You have written only new words. Yes, in the last video I have given new words. So you have written. Today I am giving some classwork. So you take your classwork note and write them missing letters. New words you have written in the page. Yes, leave one line. After that you continue today classwork. Right, missing letters. Put the heading missing letter. First one, roughage, R-O-U-G-H-A-G-E, roughage. Second one, pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S. Third one, starch, S-T-A-R-C-H, S-T-A-R-C-H, starch. Fourth one, obese, O-B-E-S-E. Fifth one, fibers, F-I-B-R-E-S, fibers. Okay, did you complete this one? Okay, we will see the next one. Okay, write this heading, jumbled letters. J-U-M-B-L-E-D-L-E-T-T-E-R-S, jumbled letters. Write the first one, T-R-I-N-U-E-T-S-N, nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Okay, second one, jumbled letter E-I-N-S, P-R-O-T. From this, we have to make the word, yes, proteins, P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Then third one, C-I-U-M-C-A-L, C-I-U-M-C-A-L, calcium. The next one, B-R-E-S, F-I, fibers, F-I-B-O-E-S. The next, T-I-N-K-E-R-A, keratin, K-E-R-A-T-I-N. Okay, children, did you complete this one? Okay, write fast, write neatly. While writing time, you should not look here and there, okay? You must listen this and write fast. Okay. Now, write this heading, answer the following. First question, what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? A diet which contains all nutrients in correct amount. Very easy, answer is very easy. A diet which contains all nutrients in correct amount is called balanced diet. Balanced, B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced diet, D-I-E-T. Write fast, children. Write fast, write neatly. You read and write. Now you read with me. What is a balanced diet? Say louder. Then answer. We read the answer. A diet which contains all nutrients in correct amount is called balanced diet. Okay. Okay. Study this. Then next, second question. Second question. What are the functions of vitamin B in our body? What are the functions of vitamin B in our body? Vitamin B is needed for proper functioning of nervous and muscular system of our body. Vitamin B is needed for proper functioning of nervous and muscular system of our body. Nervous, spelling N-E-R-V-O-U-S, N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous. Muscular, M-U-S-C-U-L-E-R, muscular. Okay, vitamin, V-I-T-A-M-I-N, vitamin. Now, you read with me, what are the functions of vitamin B in our body? Answer, vitamin B is needed for proper functioning of nervous and muscular system of our body. Muscular system of our body. Did you complete writing, children? Okay, write fast. Complete it fast. Now, third question. What is food preservation? What is food preservation? Food preservation is the technique to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning, and microbial contamination in food. I read it again. What is food preservation? Food preservation is the technique to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning, and microbial contamination in food. Preservation spelling: Preservation. Preservation. Technique: Technique. Technique. Prevent: Prevent. Spoilage: Spoilage. Microbial: Microbial. Contamination: Contamination. These are new spelling. Yes, so you study this spelling or spelling also. Okay, you study this new word spelling. Okay, now we read this one. You read with me. What is food preservation? Food preservation is the technique to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning, and microbial contamination in food. Are you writing, children? Are you writing? Write fast. Write neatly. You must read and write. It is easy to memorize. It is very easy to memorize that. Read and write. Okay, children? In detail. First question. Why is protein called a bodybuilding nutrient? Why is protein called a bodybuilding nutrient? Proteins are often called the body's building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues. They help you fight infection. Write fast, children. Why is protein called a bodybuilding nutrient? Proteins are often called the body's building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues and they help you fight infection. They help you fight infection. Protein spelling, look at and write. Protein. Protein. Building, building. Building. Nutrient, nutrient. Nutrient. Proteins are often called the body's building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues. Repair, R-U-R-E-P-A-I-R. Tissues, T-I-S-S-U-E-S. Tissues. Fight, F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Infection, I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. Now you read with me. Did you complete writing, children? Have you finished writing? Okay. Read with me. Why is protein called a body building nutrient? Proteins are often called the body's building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues. They help you fight infection. Did you complete? Okay. Second question. Write important things to remember while cooking. Write important things to remember while cooking. First point. Pulses and cereals should be soaked in water before boiling. Pulses and cereals should be soaked in water before boiling. Soaked, ஊற வைத்தல். Okay? தண்ணீரில் ஊற வைத்தல். Soaked in water. Food should be cooked in just enough water. Food should be cooked in just enough water. Third point, overcooking and frying destroy many nutrients. Write it fast. You put question number, you put point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Okay? Only 3 points. I have given only 3 points. So you could study easily. Okay children, writing is not enough. Whatever you are writing in the classwork note, you must study. I will ask question, and also I will keep test in the next video. Okay, so you study them. Okay, you read with me. Write important things to remember while cooking. First point, pulses and cereals should be soaked in water before boiling. Second point, food should be cooked in just enough water. Third point, overcooking and frying destroy many nutrients. Pulses, spelling P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Cereals, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Soaked, S-O-A-K-E-D, soaked. Boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. Enough water, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Overcooking, O-V-E-R-C-O-O-K-I-N-G, overcooking. Frying, F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying. Destroy, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, destroy. Nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. Okay, okay children, read with me. Write important things to remember while cooking. Point number 1, pulses and cereals should be soaked in water before boiling. Food should be cooked in just enough water. Overcooking and frying destroy many nutrients. Okay, can you read it? Read this. Read fast. Read louder. Pulses and cereals should be soaked in water before boiling. Food should be cooked in just enough water. Overcooking and frying destroy many nutrients. Okay. This is your homework questions. So mark the homework questions or write in your homework note. All of you take your homework note. Otherwise you mark this. Otherwise you take your workbook. page number 3, 4 and 5. In that page, in that 5th page, you do up to write 2 functions of protein, water and calcium is given. Yes children? So up to this you do the homework. Okay? For page number 3, fill in the blanks, tick the correct answer, then match the column. Understanding based question, circle the odd one, then true or false. After that, questions and answer is given. Only 3 questions. Only 3 questions are given. 4 questions are given. Only 4 questions are given. Why would that question first one? Why would a laborer need more carbohydrates than a judge? Why would a laborer need more carbohydrates than a judge? I give some clue. Laborer need more carbohydrates. Why? Because they have to do more work compared to the judge. Yes? So you can write this. Okay children? Then write 3 healthy eating habits. Write any 3 healthy eating habits. It is in our book. Healthy eating. Already you have studied, you have learned. So from there you write the answer. Okay? Then why should we not overcook the food? Why should we not overcook the food? That answer also is in the book. That answer also in the book. Okay? Then write 2 functions of protein, water and calcium. They are in our book. So don't worry. You turn to the page, turn to the book page, find the answer and write the answer. Write the correct answer here. Okay children? Okay. Then write, you listen children, this all answer you write in your workbook. No need to write in your homework note. Okay? So write the answer in your book and write neatly. Then you take photo. Then you send. Okay? Then you send the homework in our school WhatsApp. Okay children? Okay. Thank you all.